Smash that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe for more awesome content like this. Right, you guys already know the drill with this one. And ooh, this one's called something different. Wait a second. Right, this one definitely is making a debut here in the channel. The Nova prototype. Nova prototype has blue aluminum 14C28N and PVD on the blade. So that's gonna be an interesting one. So typical stuff already in the packaging. You already know. But here is the Nova. All right, let's check out what the Nova is all about. Oh my goodness. Now, first impressions, guys. This is something special here, no doubt about it. Right, this looks and feels pretty good. Loving the aluminum scales right here. I mean, you know, I love G10 as much as the next guy, but when you put metal on the handle, I dig that a lot more. So that blue right there on the aluminum looks really, really good. Pocket clip here, deep carry, about this much. Not reversible, something to keep in mind. Blacked out logo. We have blacked out liners as well with a matching, I'm assuming, yeah, aluminum backspacer there as well. Or I say the pocket clip is, where's my magnet? Here we go. Oh yeah, we do have a steel pocket clip, but again, aluminum on the scales. And it looks to be a front flipper, and this front flipper is very similar to the front flipper on the Devo bench, Devo and Blade bench collaboration, the bench. Now this thing works really good as a front flipper. Almost works like a lighter here from Sippo, right? Like a Sippo lighter, because it's so easy to hit it at any angle. I bet this thing's gonna be just about the same. So without further ado, bam, there it is, guys, the Nova. Now it's gonna have a little bit of similarities to the Orbit, right? More or less here and there. It does seem to be a little bit of a taller, let's see here, side by side, taller blade perhaps. No fuller on the Nova. Is it still hollow ground? Yes, it's still a hollow ground. Has that PVD coating on it, right? 14C28N steel. More or less somewhat the same profile as the Orbit. However, it's kind of like they took the Orbit and then decided to give it a finger choil, which kind of was something that I really would have liked to see on the Orbit. So that's them paying attention to the knife community. And by the way, Molsect is definitely one of those brands that will listen, right? They want to work with the community, designing great knives. So we have this finger choil situation here, so we can forward choke, and right out the bat, it feels so much better as an EDC knife. Absolutely digging it for that, right? That feels good. Now, it doesn't necessarily help the plunge grind situation. At some point, you may end up developing a smile. So we'll see how that goes down the line here, down the road. This is something to keep in mind. Good access, by the way. We do have a cutout here, right, as compared to on the Orbit, right, for better access to the liner. So they improved on that, and very nice drop shotty blade. So I'll tell you, man, this front flipper, I mean, this is what you call a traditional front flipper right here, which works nice and it's very snappy. But come to find out, there we go. Can you lock, sir? Thank you. Come to find out, front flippers like this are a lot, you know, easier on the thumb, a lot easier to deploy, a lot less likely to fail or to, you know, not deploy on you, whatever the case is. Very predictable, always will deploy no matter what. So digging that, reach around, feels good. Side of the index finger, there we go, that works too. All right, so through and through, I mean, I feel like this is a much more improved version of the Orbit. And this is the Nova prototype. I think this one should be available as of the time of this video. Of course, I have this knife and every other knife here on the table, link down below, so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.